I've always had an interest in cars, you know, it's just always been that driving factor as well, and also to drive the cars, I've always wanted to do that. And just being able to work on them hands-on is fun as well, and getting to learn how the engine works and how the rest of the vehicle works. Especially everyone within here as well, they're all very kind, they all know what they're doing, everyone gets along.
From my background, I've been in the trade for about just under 40 years, so I'm familiar with how we've got to teach our trade, but I'm still in connection with industry, and I know exactly how we do it out there. Not only do we teach it the way the college would want us to teach it, but I also like to include the real-life experiences, what employers and organisations are looking for.
We do oil changes, filter changes, we've done brakes, suspension, done pretty much all the main stuff, and it's been great. I've never regretted it.